Hi teachers, Sal Khan here from Khan Academy. I just wanted to give you a massive thank you for the incredible work that you do on a daily basis. And that thank you needs to be even bigger for all of the work that many of y'all are doing right now as we go through this COVID-19 induced school closure crisis. This is a time that's taxing and stressful on everyone, and I'm sure on many of you and your families. But despite that, you're powering through it and you're figuring out ways to keep students learning. And you really are on the front lines. It's your ability to connect with those students, to keep them learning, that's going to allow them to participate in the world of tomorrow and really make us all have a better future. So as part of Teacher Appreciation Week, thank you, although you deserve thank yous well beyond Teacher Appreciation Week. And all of us at Khan Academy, we view it as our goal to support you as you do the amazing work you do. And so as part of Teacher Appreciation Week, we're actually going to do a bit of a giveaway for tools to help you work with students in these times of school closure. Some of the same tools that I have around drawing tablets and things so you can run virtual sessions. And that's just a small token of what we can do in appreciation for the amazing things you do, not just for students, but for families and frankly, for the world. Thank you so much.